yesterday's class?
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am. Yesterday's class, you mentioned an assignment.
yes.
In that group ATA and all those things, shampoo and all.
Hmm.
We have to take those in stock categories, ma'am.
What it is given in the heading?
It is given group, ma'am.
1 minute. Let me open. You have a headings there, no? Headings is mentioned, no, in that?
Ma'am, they have mentioned group, ma'am.
Hmm.
In that they have shown ATA, shampoo, biscuit, like that.
Just observe the heading properly.
Yes, ma'am.
What is given in the group list?
Ma'am, I'm opening it, ma'am. Okay.
Group means
Group
I am
list.
my system. You can see from here only.
Yes, ma'am.
It is mentioned, no, in the group. Group means what? Whatever is given in the group column, you have to create stock group.
Yes, ma'am. I have created
There is no category
same way, ma'am.
given here. There is no category given here. You can directly create
Okay,
stock
ma'am.
item. Understood? No, it is clearly mentioned
Ma'am,
in group column and stock item column.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, while I use stock group summary, it is showing ATA as one group, biscuit as another group, coffee as another
Yeah,
group.
it is
I
group wise
cannot print
only. No?
all those in single page. I
I am
cannot
not
print all those in single page, ma'am.
single phase how it will come. You will get in a group wise
Ma-
only, right? Data. Single wise it will come. If you want to get in a single
yeah.
wise, you can just see stock item list. Whatever you are taking here, if you go
Where
to
I
a
have to see
stock
that, ma'am?
summary, see stock summary means it will show you
Yes, ma'am.
everything in a group wise only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just click on stock item wise. Stock item wise, the right side you can see stock item wise means like just an in detailed report. Okay, whatever it is taken in the detailed report means it will show you detailed report. Just 1 minute, let me open the yesterday company. See, item wise. Right side you can see stock item wise means it will show you stock item wise. If you want to see detailed report, it will show you stock item wise report.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
anything else?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have shared my assignment in the group. Is that correct, ma'am?
yes, it is correct.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Clear? No, anything else is required? Anything else? Any clarifications is required? Still, I have not explained you the display, how to see the display. So you are asking how to check that. That is the reason I'm explaining you this option now. I just explained you yesterday only the print option and exporting to my Excel, only these things. I have
Okay.
not explained you how to check the summary reports, how to check the display reports, everything. Okay. So anyway, Abdul adds me that one. So stock summary, if you go, it will show you group wise. If you see, if you want to see in depth, in that case, click on right side stock item wise. It will show you item wise. Again, further group wise, if you want to see, click on detailed option. Further, it will show you group wise detailed option. It will show you. Complete in detail. It will show you your data. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, no? Done. So today is a continuation of yesterday's class only. I'm doing in the same company only, inventory management. So just come to our vouchers. Click on other vouchers. So here click on show inactive. Show inactive. If you click on show inactive, you can see inventory vouchers, all the vouchers in the inventory you can see. Okay, so here we are going to learn, like say first one we are going to do is a stock journal voucher. Okay. Stock journal. You can see inventory vouchers, you can see order voucher, you can see both are there. Inventory and order voucher is there. So first we are going to study a stock journal voucher. Okay, so stock journal voucher. Click on stock journal. So in the stock journal, basically this stock journal is used for transferring of a material from one location to another location or from one godown to another godown. Okay, so within a organization, again within a company only. This is a within a company transferring of a goods from one place to another place. Maybe transferring of a goods from raw material consumption to finished place or from semi-finished place to finished. That means like godown wise, we are going to maintain the stock according to the godown wise. You may have a raw material godown, you may have a finished godown. So some of the products that you are transferring from raw material godown to a finished product godown. Understood? No. So basically what is required here is godown is required. Godown is also called as a location. Location is required. So to create, say just click on create option. You can see there is a location here in the inventory market. Click on that location, create. Here I'm taking a location as a I'm taking as a godown 1 now. Accept. I'm taking as a godown 2. Accept. So I have taken a godown 1 and godown 2. Accept. Two different godowns I have taken. You can also mention the names for that godown. Okay, so if there is any name is mentioned, you can take that name also. Here just for a example, I have taken as a godown 1, godown. Okay, next. Come to your vouchers, stock journal voucher. If I just click on space, I can see some of the materials that I have already created is available here. Okay, so I'm taking here. Just starting from the godown quantity I'm taking and rate I'm giving here. You can take as a motherboard. Same godown 1 only you take here. I'm taking the 3 different product names. For all the 3 different product names, I'm taking a godown 1 only. That means nothing. These products are transferred. Say keyboard, motherboard, IFB, washing machine. These 3 different products are transferred from godown 1 to godown 2. When you are coming from consumption place to a production place, same item name you have to take. Godown name will be different. Only godown name will be different. Only godown name is different. Stock quantity, stock rate. Quantity and rate items. Everything will be same here. Only the godown will be different. That's all. Rest of the things, everything you should take same thing only. No difference. Okay. All the names will be same. Quantity will be same. Rate will be same. Everything is same except your godown. So you're transferring some of your products from godown 1 to godown 2. You can see only the godown will be different. I mean, only the location names are different. Rest of the things, everything will be same. No changes. Understood? No? After doing these things, just you can accept. Okay, control A, you do accept. So this voucher is accepted. So the next voucher I'm going to do is click on other vouchers, show inactive, you take. So here the next procedure is purchase order. So click on purchase order. So active your purchase order, make it yes, sir. So what is this purchase order means? Before we purchase any goods, before we place a purchase invoice, we are supposed to raise the order first. Okay, PO. We also call it as a PO, purchase order. So we will be raising a purchase order for so and so vendor. Vendor is nothing about supplier. Okay. So once the order is accepted, then the same thing we are going to do in the purchase invoice. Understood? No. So purchase order means it is an order that is raised before we purchase any goods. Once the order is accepted, then we do the same thing in the purchase invoice. Clear? Any doubts you have? So create a party account name. I'm taking a party account name, and here I'm taking this party account name under sundry creditor. Here you can also mention the address, everything. Okay. Say you can mention their bank details also. Okay, if you want, you can even mention their bank details, everything you can mention. Okay. So PAN number you want, you can mention their PAN number. Okay, if you have their GST number, you can mention the GST number also. Okay, clear, no? All these details I have taken here. So terms of payment, mode or terms of payment, I'm just making as a check. So terms of delivery, I'm taking one. Okay, purchase ledger, purchase of goods you can take. Here I'm taking whatever the items you're going to take here, remember that item. Here order number is more important. Give your order number. So quantity I'm giving here. So once you give a quantity, automatically the price will take. If you want to give a same price, you can continue, or else you can change your prices. Okay. Remember whatever items you are going to take here. Okay, don't forget the items. Remember all the items. So I have taken 3 different items. I have given party account name Kiran Kumar, purchase of goods. See my Order number is ASD 112 is my order number. After doing these things, you can just press Ctrl A, accept. After accepting this one, assume that your order is accepted. Okay. Before you enter, just come to a stock summary. See the stock summary, yeah. Before going directly into a stock summary, click on display more reports. Click on inventory books. Stock item, if you click, it will give you all the stock item list that you have created. Locations, if you click all the locations, it will show you. Stock group, if you click all the group details, it will show you. Category, if you click all the category details, it will show you. That means in the inventory book, item book, stock item book, location book, stock group, stock category summary, everything it will show you. If you click on purchase order book, say there is one order, double click you do, it will show you purchase order that you have raised. Where? In the inventory. Okay, in the inventory books, it will show. Stocks are transfer, say stock transfer general register you do, it will show you the stock journal voucher that you have created. These things are all inventory books only. If you come to a statement of inventory, here, if I click on moment analysis, say you will have a stock group analysis. Stock group analysis. See, if I double click on any one of the group, see, it will show you stock group analysis, inward stock and outward stock. Inward stock and outward stock, it will show you. Outward stock, just do double click and see supplier. Supplier means transferred material. It is showing you transferred material. Moment outward. Same material, outward. Transferred, no, it is showing you in the outward. It will show you only for keyboard, motherboard. Why? Tell me keyboard, motherboard and say washing machine, keyboard, say washing machine, it is showing you IFB washing machine, and it is showing for keyboard, it is showing for motherboard. Why? What is the reason for that? See, come to the inventory book, click on stock transfer analysis. Open this. These are the three different things. Keyboard, motherboard, IFB, you have taken under the transfer of materials. Okay, that means goods are transferred from one location to another location. That is why it is showing you here. If I take a moment analysis, stock group analysis, if I click on electronics, it will show you inward and outward. Outward means the goods which is transferred, only for that you can see the quantity, rate, which number of goods are transferred, that it is showing you there. If I select on food, see there is no outward, only inward is there. That means only purchase is there. Stationery also only inward is there. There is no outward. Okay, category analysis, if you click stock category analysis, so there will be nothing category analysis because group wise only we have taken, correct now? See, each and every item you can check. You can check each and every item. Double click on that and see. It will show you total number of transactions that you have done for that product. It will show you. Transfer analysis, if you take stock journal only, it will show again. Only stock journal, it will show. Goods in, goods out. Production, consumption, both. Understood? No? So, now purchase order outstanding. In the statement of inventory, purchase order outstanding. If I click on stock item or groups, see pending orders. You can see pending order. That is keyboard, washing machine, monitor. These are the pending order is available for. Double click on that and see pending order is there. Okay, pending order. See the order number also ASD 112 pending order. Remember this stock. Statement of inventory, purchase order outstanding. If you take a group, you take a. Okay, or you can also take a stock item wise. If you take a Say item wise means again you have to search each and every item. So better all orders you take, and in the all orders, it will show you the order number and pending. These are all balanced quantity. All these are balanced quantity. Okay, now, so how many are there? Keyboard you have LG washing machine and monitor. Correct. Keyboard, washing machine, monitor. This three is there. Correct. No. What I will do here is I will go to our vouchers. Go to other vouchers. Purchase you go. In the purchase, select same Kiran Kumar. LG, right? IFB LG washing machine. Just to show you here. Okay. See the order number is there. I'm taking this order number. Automatically all the goods, quantity, everything it is showed. Control A to accept. I think it is a LG washing machine. Yeah. See control A. I'm taking only 2 items. Actually 3 items I have raised in the purchase order. Correct? No, only 3. Say, let me show you once again. Purchase order, 3 items is there. Keyboard, LG washing machine, monitor. 3 different items is there. Order number is ASD 11. Now, this purchase order, you should also complete in the purchase. Same thing you should do in the purchase. So what happens if any item is left out in the purchase? Same thing you should do in the purchase. Suppose order is raised for 3 items. And when you're doing a purchase only for 2 items. Purchase is done only for 2 items. Purchase is done only for 2 items. Okay, comparison I'm doing here. Purchase is done only for 2 items. Okay. 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 So go to our other vouchers. Click on purchase. So Kiran Kumar, here you don't have to give all the details. Only if you enter your purchase order number, if you enter, it is enough. Only order number you have to give. Just cross check once. That's it. Okay. So just take monitor, order number you give. That's all. That's all you do. Nothing else is required. Okay. So just accept, control it. After accepting this one, come to your display more reports. Go to statement of inventory. Purchase order outstanding you do. Click on all orders and see how many is pending. So before this, how many was pending? Now how many is pending? You will come to know the difference. Can anyone tell me? So can anyone tell me the difference? Anybody can tell me the difference. This is pending, right? Keyboard. Now what I will do? Again, I will go to vouchers. Again, I will take Kiran Kumar. Same thing I will do here. Okay. This time I will also do for keyboard. Order number, control A accept. Okay, you can do control A accept. Now just come back. Click on display inventory. Purchase order outstanding, you see. All orders you check and see there is nothing left. There is no any purchase order outstanding. That means what? Once you raise the order, if you are not doing a purchase, then the list of data will show you as a due data, outstanding data in the purchase order. Once you do purchase, then nothing will be shown here. Nothing will be shown here.
Ma'am, in this purchase order, once I put the purchase order and then I go to purchase order and purchase voucher, and then I use I call that purchase order number. But what is the mode of payment which we are giving to sundry creditor?
Everything is check payment only, no? In the very beginning only I selected check. Mode of payment, it will ask you at the time of creating a party account. You didn't observe, huh?
Sorry, ma'am. I
You
checked.
didn't observe, huh?
Ma'am, you showed that check mode of payment as check here. I saw that, but how can you how will it be recorded in
You
future,
have
ma'am?
to give their bank details. It is there, no, in that ledger, bank details, everything. You are
Yes, ma'am.
just mentioning all the bank details, their bank details, everything. It is not very practically shown. Okay. You will tell it is a check payment and you will give all the bank details. That's it. Check you cannot show in the tally, right? You can only write the check and give a bank details and instrument date number. That's it. It's only the invoices you're taking here. I mean, only the invoice you're creating here.
Ma'am, here
Receipt.
you have
Yeah.
shown that sundry creditors account number, ma'am. But what is the our bank ledger, ma'am? Where is our bank ledger? From which bank it
Your
is
bank
going to?
ledger will be with you when you create a company. At the time of creating a company, you will give all your details there.
Ma'am, can you show me in the report where that payment rate, like like it's in report, ma'am?
This is my PO, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the details you mention at the time of creating your company code, all the details will be mentioned there only. Observe, this is your receipt. Okay. You can see terms of delivery is given. Kiran Kumar details is given. That PIN number, PAN number is given. Where is your company's inventory management? Only company is given here. Nothing else is taken.
Ma'am,
Okay.
mood and terms of payment has been given above, ma'am, below date, ma'am, which is mentioned as check.
At the time of creating a ledgers, at the time of creating a company only, you have to give all the informations. Understood? No. While creating a company, here while creating a company, you will give all the informations while creating a company itself. Understood, right? All the details you will be filling here. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
The time of doing a purchase ledger, when you're creating a purchase ledger, at the time of creating a purchase ledger, you will mention all your details there again. Okay, so these details also you will mention there on purchase of goods. You're creating a purchase of goods here, correct? There is a bank
Ma'am,
details here.
ma'am, the same transaction which you showed, like from check, can you show me it in expenses, ma'am?
It will not come in the expenses, Abdul. How I can show you in the expenses? These are all inventory maintenance I'm doing you. Inventory means I have to show you in the inventories only, right? How can you do
Ma'am,
in the expenses here?
ma'am, whatever with business purchases like materials and all, that is all, it is expenses as per accounting, I think.
You think as per accounting it is a expenses. My concept is inventory. I am explaining you about a inventory maintenance here. I am not explaining you expenses. Expenses, everything is done in the previous sessions only. Understood, right? Purchase and
Yes, ma'am.
sales, it will never come under expenses. Purchase and sales is a asset and liability for you, for your kind information. You just read
Okay,
your
ma'am.
accounting principles once again if you don't know. Okay. Assets,
Okay, ma'am.
current liability and current asset. Always it is treated as a liability and asset only. Purchase and sales. It is not expenses. In stock, out stock. Stock in hand, stock at stock, out of stock. If you this one you will not take in your profit and loss account. Again, this is taken under a trading account. Trading account. You know, it is taken under a trading account. Okay. In the tally, everything will be shown under profit and loss account only. There is nothing like separately called trading account, but everything you can just observe, everything will be shown under a per profit and loss account only. But again, when it is profit and loss account, observe very carefully. It is shown as a opening stock and closing stock. Stock in hand, stock out stock. Okay, understood? No, opening stock, closing stock. What is your opening stock? What is your closing stock? Okay, purchase is, it is like whatever asset you purchase, whatever goods you purchase, it is a, like say you purchase a raw material, it is a asset for you. You purchase anything, it is a asset for you. When you sell also, it is a, like say, selling and purchasing, two different things. Current liability, current asset. You are selling for your customers and you are receiving from your suppliers. Understood? No? Supplier is nothing about creditor. Creditor means it is a liability. Customer means debitor. Debitor means he is your, he is your asset, current asset.
Yes, ma'am.
Purchasing the goods, you are selling the goods. You are purchasing the goods from one person, from your vendor. You may pay the amount now or you may pay the amount later also. Anytime in the future also you may pay that amount. That is a liability for you. You are paying the amount, you are purchasing the goods. It is a liability for you. You are selling the amount, you are receiving the amount. I mean, you are selling the goods and you are receiving the amount. It is an income there. Understood, right? So there is
Yes, ma'am.
nothing expenses. Expenses are different. Expenses, the last class I explained you, cost management, that is the expenses for you. The previous sessions, whatever I explained you, in that also, don't get more confused. Okay, clear? No?
Okay.
So anybody is having any doubt? Is it clear to all? Is it clear? Anybody is having any doubts? So that's all for today's class. Next class, I will be explaining you completely about a sales order and sales. Okay. So before you do, like say stock journal, like after doing a stock journal, just check your display mode reports. In the display mode reports, just check all the inventory books as well as statement of inventory also. Okay. So if you just click on a stock query, that will show you all the details. Okay. And after doing a purchase order, come to the statement of inventory, click on purchase order outstanding, take all orders and see the balance here, how the balances are showing for you for each and every product of a purchase order. Later on, finish that in a purchase voucher. I will repeat once again, 3 types of vouchers: stock journal, purchase order, purchases. Whatever you do in the purchase order, same thing you should do in the purchases also. And stock journal, create 2 different locations. There, transfer from one location to another location. Same quantity, space, same rate, same stock item will be there, except the location is different. Only the location is a different, rest of the thing, everything is same. That's it. Okay. So that's all for today. We will connect for the tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all.